So we made it back to our room. It's room 5742. We're just gonna do a little bit of a room tour. You know what? I ain't mad at this, dude. This is a really nice room. A little tight, but it's a really nice room. Let's get this started. We're gonna first start out in the bathroom. Now, this is the bathroom. You know what? I was expecting it to be smaller, but this, man, this is a pretty nice size. Pretty nice size for Ocean View. I mean, I can dig it. I like it. And then compared to Carnival, I'm not used to it being a bathtub too on top of a shower. That's crazy, man. Like glass doors. That's awesome. It might get, you know, I might have a hard time like getting into the bath because I'm not used to that compared to Carnival.
I just want to show you how big this bathtub is. It's a bathtub shower.
You know what? I like this, man. I like this a lot, dude. It is a little tight through here, so if you're a little thicker like I am, you know, you're gonna have a little bit of issue. But if you get past all that, I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine for what we're doing. I think it'll be fine. So I'm gonna sit down on the couch. This is the first time I sat down in a minute. But yeah, this is the first section. First section, you have your safe. Plenty of storage space, honestly. More shelf space. That's my backpack. Don't worry about that. You got your TV. You got a mirror so you can check yourself out. How you doing? Thermostat. And you have these. And you can tell them, hey, instead of using the old-fashioned, you know, do not disturb or please clean the room, you have these buttons here where you can select which one you want. Something's wrong with this camera, but yeah. And then this is a bed. It's a big size bed. Tons of space and storage. More closet space. I love this, man. Like at first when I'm looking at pictures, I'm like, there's not that much storage space, but what I'm hearing now, tons of storage space. They do have a ladder here, so if you have another, you know, another roommate, you can have the bunk here. More storage space. Does this go up? No, it doesn't go up, but still storage space. And this is the desk area. Refrigerator. Let's see what we got in here. Got a couple bottles. They might cost, yeah, they cost money. $6.50 here, $6.50, and then $5.50 for this bottle of water here. If you're feeling especially bougie, you can get the Aqua Pana European outlet, and then 3 regular outlets, and another TV. That's great, man. I love that it has another TV. It's got 2 TVs, and this is it, man. We're on the 5th floor, so you know, it's not something that we usually go to, the 5th floor, but we're gonna enjoy it either way. I mean, we're gonna have a blast. This'll do it for the room. You know what? It's pretty big here. Look how far sleeping. I felt like the Jubilee, especially with the balcony, was a little tight, but this one's probably, you know, I feel like there's just a ton of space. There's just the bed. The bed is, the gap in between the bed is pretty wild, but you know what? Great room so far. Oh, you know what? Check this out. I love this. Privacy blinds. I think we have most of our luggage outside, but I think we still have like a few more that we need to get. But yeah, that's it. So far, Norwegian has been excellent. This is our first Norwegian trip, and so far, so good. And this is Embarkation Nation. Tune in until next time. Oh, and treat every day like it's Embarkation Day. Now until next time.
Goodbye, Andrew, Chloe.
Bye.
Thank you very much for sharing with us. Bye-bye.
Thank you.